Welcome back once more. Ngasi ekwena leinagadoribasi class 12 ki biotechnology principles and process hariba chapter adugi ani suba video oina tools of rdna technology haiba parasi yengse. So tools of recombinant DNA technology yengse. Now we know from the foregoing discussion that genetic engineering or recombinant DNA technology can be accomplished only if we have the key tools. Kari key tools? Restriction enzyme to cut the DNA ni ko, polymerase enzymes to increase the number of DNA ni, ligases to bind the DNA sa duni, vector na parayaw ka na kangani, and the host organism. Let us try to understand some of this in details. Si mayam sida ko like sida khara explain tawri yang min si ahan bada restriction enzyme hai adu ta seng na di tools of rdna technology har kanda koina restriction enzyme haibase nungaite aduna tools of rdna technology herga tools ahum se ahan bada enzymes na pijage ayuena enzymes makal yam darkar leba ko ani subada vectors na pijage aduga ahum subada host na pijage. So these are the three tools which are required for rdna technology. Yang si hamba restriction enzyme haire enzyme mayam si marakta restriction enzyme sina khwaidagi maru oibagi ekhina lairik sida restriction enzyme haire pagi wani ko atopa ke enzyme darkar lai hairadi adum yaurga leijare polymerase enzyme ligases aduga kharasu yorkini. Now in the year 1963 the two enzymes responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. See E. coli hariba bacterium sida bacteriophage amasange. Now the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli thogandrisi karina no kanana no habasi thigat ki habo. I repeat, the two enzymes responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. Yare ko bacteriophage ki growth si E. coli da thokhandaba enzyme ani le madugi enzyme du kari no haibasi 1963 da isolate tawre. One of these sigi amana added methyl groups to the DNA da methyl group hapsan mangamba enzyme oi, while the other aduga atopa mana cut the DNA si cut tobangamba oiki. The latter was called restriction endonuclease. So ani subasine ko na restriction endonuclease haina kaurise. So sige matang khara ai hapetang haijaramge monatabi ho nuclease hai che kai hainu haraga nucleic acid kakpangamba enzyme hai bani. Now nucleic acid kakpangamba ka kai sida mu yam luna khalamani. They can cut RNA and DNA hai duni ko. DNA kakpangamba RNA kakpangamba hai baduni. Adusu ja khoina mainly sinaga to si RNA ni na. They can cut DNA ni na hai ko. Kakka si DNA ni na they can cut DNA hai bani. Si DNA ni hai rasi. Masang ji pulap DNA ni karamba moong da kakpage habitugi matungina nucleus si makal ani le. Nucleus kharana DNA gi ends matai rom da ka cut at ends either 5 prime end oigera 3 prime end oigera moidu bokwena exonuclease haina kawe. Chaina piriba diagram sida moina kakkadoi si swai kakpangam bai tar. Masi akoina biotechnology da ka hena sijinaba oide. Akoina biotechnology da sijinari jidi karama makalgi nuclease no haiba matamda marak ta kakpangamba endonuclease haise marak ta kakpangamba hai taragadi koina piriba diagram sida matuan bunatraba any marak sida kakpangamba haido. Now endonuclease so mo mana kakkadriba marak ki part se marak ta kakpai karama jagada karama mafam da kakkadoi no si specifically jaga kharada khak kakpa ngamba party khara specifically hai taragadi specific oire hai ni akhona lambi sorok taga chatpada or hoine mafam am chat matamda VIP khakini ka kaina koi stadium daga chatpada football yangbam da VIP stadium gaina VIP khakta phamam ni VVIP khakta phamam ni gaina specifically mi khara khakini haidana thetana leiba mafam sing yawidana ko adumai tawdana DNA sidasu restriction enzyme sina kakpa ngamba jaga khara lei ye panthokre restriction ga kaina anyway endonuclease sina kakpa ngamba specific oiba jaga khara lei madugi specific oiba jaga da kakpa ngamba endonuclease khaidu madubune koina restricted oiba jaga da kakpa ngami haidana restriction endonuclease hana kawi natrangni chamchamna restriction enzyme and hairasu adum yai kaisu kaide ko because these are enzymes adu tagadi husi makoina kakpa ngamgadoriba jaga du karamba jaga no haiji maru rekadoi yamna budi chammi makoina kakpa ngamgadoriba jaga ji restriction site hairiba jaga ji restriction site haiji yaraba restriction site haiji gi characteristic feature khara lai one of the most important characteristic feature of restriction site is ibobi tara mani ibobi hai mi si maming se kwa Manipur da ibobi ko mi myam lei maming chat pabudi ama khatani aduni natra now ibobi je kai gino syam maming jali je hai tara di biotechnology wari ni kwa somna kandai pa ju ma ji ibobi ta bane sondai pa ju ma ju ibobi ta bane yo so maning mamang ibobi ngata ibobi adumai to dana restriction site se ju magi characteristic feature da sigumba jaga sigumba wahi gi type ta maning lom dai chu mamang lom dai chu manaba jaga hoy do when english ta khange sigumba jaga singse sigumba words english ki words maning mamang on thoga cha manaba words sing je koina palindrome haina ko palindrome so restriction site ki characteristic features se karino haiba matamda these are palindromic site haigera palindromic sequence yoba jaga oigadabani haiba so restriction site ki characteristic feature karino hai targadi palindromic sequence legadabani haiba palindromic sequence karino haiba dadi paramatang sar kanda hairage hajpode aina taklai si karino hai matamda nakoida restriction endonuclease karino haibaduma tai so aina iriba kharaji sinjan bihoro ai muthat charage makha yengsi the first restriction endonuclease prithvi gi yana puthokebe endonuclease ki maming hindi 2 hana kawe whose functioning depended on a specific DNA nucleotide sequence was isolated and characterized 5 years later 1863 da DNA cut to ngamba enzyme ama lokthokre aduga sahi manga leiraga 1868 ta khak kaidoba hindi 2 gi characterization hauki haiba now so mayam na question hangba yawe ngonda ko sir the first restriction endonuclease to be discovered or to be characterized or to be isolated as a hindi 2 is kai gi no en kai no mi oje bu haiba hindi 1 oide kai gi no one han dong ni na ko tu sina hali kai gi no na ado ai maram ngala re pizza rake koi film gi type ta koi gi suspense ne na khanbi ro muk sakhal yeng lem ni ko now yes it was found that hindi 2 always cut DNA molecules at a particular point by recognizing a specific sequence of 6 base pairs meaning kam do male base pair taruk leiba DNA si da ko si taruk somda ju taruk le mani magi koi complementary hoiba adigi jaga ta ka haiba madugi restriction enzyme na kakkadoriba jaga saidagi aina ikri du di ha restriction sequence haiba wahai masu igre aduga restriction site haiba ini gibidu ko restriction site haiba igre aina palindromic sequence haiba ma igre adu site haiba muta koi laksida sequence haina dum yawi kari mata kaiba leite ko amai to dana yengsi maka yengsi this specific base sequence is known as the restriction sequence for Hindi too. So particular restriction enzyme amagi recognition sequence amamam laigani. Ye restriction sequence po hairam manate sidadi recognition sequence haire ko. See is equal to ngatani ko. And samana ba terminologies ngatani haiduni. Like nang naming si baba na kauba mama na kauba adagi laikai na kauba namana na kauba no hero na no heroine na kauba mo mante na ko, but ultimately nang dinang ni na ko adugi type ni same thing ni like restriction site agera restriction sequence agera recognition sequence agera recognition site agera palindromic sequence agera site agera haning bahai janu particular restriction enzyme amagi recognition sequence amakhak leigani habisi ma kaw ko. Besides Hindi too hojik Hindi too khangna tre kaino ne aina 1863 gain tor mi jibo 1863 na ibu hatlam batare 19 on thopi ko 18 dadi kai de. So Hindi to hariba sigi mathakta hojikti we know more than 900 restriction enzymes. So 1968 ta amaka khangibadu hojikti there are more than 900 restriction enzymes. Kanadagi sungi hai matamda yaurani kaide sari no do which have been isolated from over 230 strains of bacteria. Now question am laide ko restriction enzyme si kadai dagi sungi hai targadi bacteria de sungi hai ba answer do sidi yaurabani. Now 900 restriction enzyme say of which recognize different recognition sequences masa masa gi recognition sequence amamam loinamak laigani habsi kawbiranu ko. So restriction enzyme sing si kadai dagi sungi khang khrabani na hojik makoi gi maming si karamaina tholino habda mu yengsi. The convention for naming these enzymes is now rule khara yorakani masigi rule sing si ai 1 2 3 na tawraga mathang adum sequentially haijarake like the isan biho. The first letter of the name now Hindi tu haire kono bokang ba restriction enzyme se Hindi tu yamna common oi ba ko like the yor kadoi si eco r1 asu ge toini to si yore sigi first letter se si karino hai matamda comes from the genus maming ni kanagi no hai targadi kasai bacteria dai ni hai gre ko na hin hai se sigi hate se Haemophilus hai neba e ko r1 e jina Escherichia hai neba ai underline to jadre or italize to jadre. Mathanga the second two letters adi tu mathangi letter ani sidana in sidana co come from the species of the prokaryotic cell from which they were isolated from the bacteria ko hairagi haidi. So Escherichia hare ko je co lai Escherichia coli lo thui hain sina Haemophilus haigre in jina influenza haribo si gi bacteria dagi lokthokpa sungtorakpa isolate torokpa enzyme ni haini ko ai mathakta ijarage toji pauda koi gi restriction enzyme maming thon bagi ahanba letter mathang ani suba letter ani karino khange sida yore tu eco r1 comes from Escherichia coli ry13 strain gi maming ni ko strain maming adi bacteria adu complete maming hai tare ko. In eco r1 the letter r so mari suba letter is derived from the name of the strain. A rough strain gumo ram tare tan chidazu Hindi tu je d strain ga le ram tare mai strain du maming ne habo adu mathanda kariya we Roman numbers following the names indicate the order in which the enzymes were isolated from that strain of bacteria. Sina isolation tokibagi sequence to nehaba like eco r1 e coli gi r strain dagi ihan hana isolate togiba haini sina Hindi Haemophilus influenza gi D strain da ani suba isolate to ki ba. Now ahan ba isolate to bududi Hindi 1 hairam ne ba. Hindi 1 ani suba isolate to gi na Hindi 2 haire ba. Kauni Prithvi gi khwaidagi ihan hana isolate to ki ba and characterize to gi ba se Hindi 2 ni hairidu. Characterize to haibadu. One do to gi da ni ka dorge scientist kaiduna. Oh, I two ji horamage ko haidu. Scientist karana one toromni, scientist karana two toromni, two do not have a success or give away Mtare Dorga. Adugini, Masai suspense some tam give do. Answer Kambiranico. Now, Masai Takiba Parado was it Hanselakadore, Yangasi. Restriction enzymes belong to a larger class of enzymes called nucleases. Your nucleus key class Amagi Manunga. These are of two kinds. Exonucleases and endonucleases. Exonucleases remove nucleotides from the ends of DNA, whereas endonucleases make cuts at specific positions within the DNA. Each restriction endonuclease functions function by DNA to kamyam sangi habagi inspection and pirakan. Inspecting the length of DNA sequence. Adugi inspection to tawba matam to damana magi specific recognition sequence finding out torani. Aduga kadorani it will bind to the DNA to the binding torani and cut each of the two strands of the double helix at specific points in their sugar phosphate backbones. Aduga mari subada particular sigi jagas the kathatli haibe wanita. Adumai tawdana restriction nucleus na recognize toriba jaga dune koina palindromic nucleotide sequence in the DNA hai se moina karam haina action tawi haibadu diagram se the fazan explain torge yauri ning thokse steps in formation of rdna by action of restriction enzyme EcoR1. Now action of restriction enzyme niko the enzyme cuts both DNA strands at the same site karino both haidea vector ogeda DNA amadi foreign ogeda DNA anido sub manaba restriction enzyme ama sizinaraga kakadaba. EcoR1 cuts the DNA between the bases G and A only when the sequence ZAATTC is present in the DNA. Now, yengo palindromic sequence for EcoR1 jikarino hai matamda ZAATTC neba yari ko. So ZAATTC hariba sequence particular strand magi DNA strand amada yauba sequence ne ado tadi magi complementary oigedori strands ta kari yaugani aise koi puthokpa irai yani na G yaurabani na C A na T A na T T na A T na A C na Z sini ibo bita ba ido tadre yung ZAATTC sini palindromic sequence size yari ko amil tapi sanje bai se hajal si CTAATC ga noi khalam ne ba CTAATC ise ju palindrom ni ga khalam ni adumaina na te ba yengado se palindromic sequence har ga di strand animak te yengado ba sida C leramni na somgi Z T leramni na A leramni na T A leramni na T leramni na A C leramni na Z yung somda di CTAATC somda na GAT sarvana sagre do no palindrome. So palindrome hai pagi why se palindromic sequence hai bani ko palindrome ai na biotechnology da panjarbe palindrome ko panjibe wani karino hai badu khangbi ko sequence animak tu da complementary oi bagi wari ni strand ama khakta yengaga na te. Now restriction enzyme na kakpa matam da ko sigi ZAATTC cái nó này xóm thì giống là tiền này GAATTC số này nó bắt lâu các web số này nó bắt lâu các web số bắt các tiền hay ta đấy có mà giờ phải gì nữa các cái này vậy đó dù G cái A cái mà được các cái sao dù G cái mà được các cái này cái nó hàng rồi có my characteristic mi characteristic feature này có anh ấy có sida cái A we chắc cái sida cái A tu cái tiếng jaga di mana yellow mark among piece yellow among piece anh ấy sikal em màu đấy tu xong đó chú xoay cái sikal em màu đấy Adoy tadi sonna kanjiga pusan narpa matamda ilai na tu bone form to ngamdro ngamidana ko admai to dana restriction enzyme na kakpa matamda ziga ega gi marak ta kakpa sina kari kana ge hai matamda it leaves mano hunto mi mana thambira me sticky ends if tubat ka kitaraba sumana bat law ka kitaraba Adoy tagadi the ends will not be sticky. Adoy ma end na khuna ke ko geraga blunt end haina kawi which are not useful in rdna technology kenta kana dieba. Masini restriction enzyme na kakpagi maong yengsi mathangi parada palindrome si karino haibdo hyper explain tawri aina ngasai ta khriduni adunai one round sat pathok sarake. Do you know what palindromes are? These are groups of letters that form the same words when read both forward and backward, like Malayalam ajini ko as against a word palindrome nadi wahai makatani na ko where the same word is read in both directions. The palindrome in DNA dadi palindrome se kaino hai taragadi is a sequence of base pairs that read same on the two strands when orientation of reading is kept the same. ID say 5 to 3 paba 5 to 3 paba particular direction the pagado ko sonde na 5 to 3 paraga sonde na 3 to 5 paraga di palindrome hai tu oibe yaro yen hai bagi wani ko aduni swai explain tawri se yahalasi hoje restriction enzyme cut the strand of DNA a little away from the center of the palindrome sides but between the same two bases on the opposite strand asai G ga A ga seju G ga ka eduni ko or if GA martaka di sondu GA martaka kani kaibi moni ko man haise this leaves single strands portion at the ends. These are overhanging stretches called sticky ends on each strand. These are named so kedo sticky ends ko rino si assertion reason type question AR type question gi maruoi karigino hai matamda because they form hydrogen bonds with their complementary cut counterparts. Admai tawdana sigi stickiness of the end facilitates the action of DNA ligase haribi enzyme. Aduna number 1 number 2 ligase ki mathau toba ngamnanaba ni habini ko. Now restriction endonucleases are used in genetic engineering to form recombinant molecules of DNA which are composed of DNA from different sources or genome. Hadi manadaba source anidagi manadaba jiva anidagi lakba DNA du bind to nabagdam sinai when cut by the same restriction enzyme. Our restriction enzyme this one agado because you know eco R1 gi eco R1 gi palindrome si kariba GAATTC oi hydra atopa se hindi to hindi GAATTC oi roeba aduni yang akhoi kakning eba foreign DNA duna ha eco R1 na kakle aduga atopa source to na mo hindi to na kakle adu ta hydrogen form to yaroeba sticky end manaroeba sin aduna akhoi na kauri do ise the same restriction enzyme should be used to cut both the DNA has a kauri to ba aduni ko sida palise aduna tragadi ligase na mathau to bangam loy sigi diagram sida piri se kaino harga rdna kara minus semi haibaduni kai haire foreign DNA ama vector ho geda DNA ama which happens to be plasmid same restriction enzyme na swaidam kai siju mata kai adu matat ama sida samjale so we have a DNA that is not normal natural oidarwa DNA known the same DNA aduni a DNA having a piece of foreign DNA the way na recombinant DNA molecule haina kaure masi jibam dhapchale obviously plasmid as the bacteria ne bacteria dhapchan batabani bacteria jidi ha fission torga masa pokpanina mana masa pokpa khudingi ngasai gi akoina pamgriba DNA matat ki product tu adum sung batabani sini rdna technology na tawdoise. Now, you may have realized that normally, unless one cuts the vector and the source DNA with the same restriction enzyme, the recombinant vector molecule cannot be created. ai mathangi para sidi mathangi video anauba amada naina jarke ngasi gi oinadi thank you very much.